Hello everyone, welcome to 10x Web Developer. Today I'm going to show you a cool tip about how you can test the responsiveness of your website. Now let's open up our Web Developer tool, right click and click Inspect button. Now we are in the devices mode. Alright, let's have a look. So this is XYZ was the one that I make up. So click this selection and you will see a list of the pre-made devices list you can choose. So if you choose the iPhone X, and you will see this iPhone X mode, so by the resolution of that, and you can zoom in, so make it look better. As you can see, the media website looks pretty good under this iPhone X mode, so emulation looks pretty good. So from my experience, the rendering outcome is quite the same as what the real devices render. So normally when I doing the website development, I would test um, the website using this devices mode first, and then if it looks cool, and then I will do the final testing on the real devices. And now let's change to iPad, and you can see, because the resolution is bigger, and you can see the website looks slightly different. It has two columns now. Compared to iPhone, you only have one column because iPhone X is much smaller, right? Alright, cool. Now I'm gonna show you how you can this little icon here is to rotate your devices. So it's simulating the landscape mode. This is landscape mode. You can see more content being rendered in this mode. And now we can change back, and you can see the width and height. And if you rotate, it become different. Now become the width and height. Alright, and the last thing I'm gonna cover is you can click this edit, and it will show you this simulated devices list, and you can go and add your custom devices. If you have some other devices that's not in the list, you can go and make your own, and you can something like that, my device. You can change to 500 and then 650, and user user agent list is how the user agent will show up here. 1 2 3, and then I can add. Now I can come back to a list, and you can see the one that I added myself, and if you click it, and you can see the pixels I enter. Yeah, and that's pretty cool. Hey, this is the end of my video now. If you have any questions, concern, or suggestions, please leave a comment below. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'm looking forward to do a next video for you. Alright, have an awesome day. See you later.